Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Cantonese ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Marie. Welcome to the 2000 Core Cantonese Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is 蘇格蘭格仔 plaid 蘇格蘭格仔蘇格蘭格仔 plaid 蘇格蘭格仔裙 plaid mini skirt 蘇格蘭格仔裙亂 wavy 亂 wavy 亂頭髮 wavy hair 亂頭髮證件 identification 證件 identification 我可唔可以用學生證當係證件 Can I use my student card as my identification card? 我可唔可以用學生證當係證件？點解 ？Why？ 點解？點解 ？Why？ 你點解咁開心？ Why are you happy? 你點解咁開心？點樣 ？How？ 點樣？點樣 ？How？ 我可以教佢點樣做。I can show him how to do it. 我可以教佢點樣做。幾時 ？When？ 幾時？幾時 ？When？ 你幾時放工 ？When do you get off work？ 你幾時放工？邊度 ？Where？ 邊度？邊度 ？Where？ 你去邊度 ？Where are you going？ 你去邊度？咩 ？What？ 咩？咩 ？What？ 個箱裡面有啲咩 ？What's inside the box？ 個箱裡面有啲咩？邊個 ？Who？ 邊個？邊個 ？Who？ 馬里奧嘅爸爸係邊個 ？Who is Mario's father？ 馬里奧嘅爸爸係邊個？邊種 ？What kind？ 邊種？邊種 ？What kind？ 你鍾意邊種女仔 ？What kind of girls do you like？ 你鍾意邊種 女仔。Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or a phrase in English. Respond in Cantonese, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say plaid? 蘇格蘭格仔，蘇格蘭格仔。And how to say wavy? 亂，亂。What about identification? 證件，證件。Do you remember how to say why? 點解？點解？ Let's try how. 點樣？點樣？ What about when? 幾時？幾時？ Now, let's see if you remember how to say where. 邊度？邊度？ Another one. What about what? 咩？咩？ Do you remember how to say who? 邊個？邊個？ And finally, do you remember how to say what kind? 邊種？邊種？ Well done! See you next time! 再見!